smoking weed, you will make my heart bleed. Welcome, welcome, a very, very warm welcome to my beautiful, beautiful YouTube family. Here's another video of mine with concern to a very strong concern which is about drug awareness, saying a big, big, big no to drugs. Today, each one of our educational institutes, colleges, schools are bringing this very, very, very strong connect upfront before our youth to make them understand, make them realize the importance and the concern of not allowing this um this impact in their life, which is this muck, which is this smoke, which is going to destroy their today, their tomorrow, and their ever after. My beautiful YouTube family, I am desperate. I'm desperate to make my beautiful, precious family to understand that this this particular um, this particular disease, this drugs, which is now bringing filth in our society. It is driving each youth to the lowest caliber and destroying his or her complete self for the rest of his or her life. My family members, my beautiful precious people, I am very, very, very concerned to make you understand that people, this situation is going to deprive each one of us on allowing us uh, to our presence, which if we are going to fall so low on into this smoke of havoc, into destroying our precious lives, which, as I even mentioned, my beautiful family in my yester videos, that this life is being gifted to us and we are not certain of our tomorrow. None of us are certain. Then, my dear, beautiful family members, my dear ones, my precious ones, why are we on humanity ground allowing ourselves to stoop so low in destroying our presence? Because this situation, this muck, which is addressed to be as drugs, the smoke, it is, my dear ones, it is going to deprive us, each one of us, to to enjoy our presence. We are going to be deprived of our presence. We are going to be deprived of the beauty and the charm of being able to be present in our presence. Why be intoxicated, my beautiful family and friends? Why? What pleasure are we getting in being intoxicated? There is no pleasure, my beautiful family and friends, my most precious. I would emphasize on saying that my dearest YouTube family, each one of you are most precious to me now. And yes, we have begun on that commendable journey. Yes. Therefore, your safety, your precious lives is much connected to mine. Yes. Speaking on that note, I persist and I emphasize to say, please, please, I plead before you, please say a big, big no to drugs. Staying connected to this situation, this new channel which has begun of smoke and dope and alcohol and being knocked off and being sozzled, being not aware of what's happening to ourselves. People, my most precious ones, don't do that to yourselves. Don't allow this agony. Do not allow this channel to cultivate inside you. And why are you allowing this perspective to commence in your lives? There holds no power in this, believe you me. We are so blessed with this life. Yes, my beautiful people. We are so blessed with this life. Why are we driving ourselves to pushing us down on the grave by being intoxicated? And why? For pleasure and for being unaware of our presence? No, no, my beautiful people, not at all. It is going to destroy crime, and uh, all sorts of negativities are going to cultivate and going to thrive into this journey. Therefore, not at all. And on that note, this day, most all schools, all colleges, all institutions are speaking on the awareness of bringing children along to make them understand that no, my dear children, my dear precious beings, my dear youth, please don't allow this to endorse in your precious lives. As a matter of fact, I would simply want to put across to you. I even spoke in my previous video that there are some aspects which I would want to repeat once again to highlight what I am speaking about. My dearest family, my dearest YouTube family, these channels of boredom, these channels of like for example, an empty mind is a devil's workshop. Yes, these channels of being depressed, being not in some activity, or I mean whatever on that stream that may speak. No, I even addressed on my connect in my previous video, my dearest ones, that first and foremost, there is absolutely nothing that has power to address to say as depression. No, no, not at all. There is, my dearest family and friends, depression has absolute no significance. It has no power. It has no relevance. It has no, it has no way to, it has no way that can, or that power to, uh, to pull you down. No, it's in our hands. My dearest family and friends, my beautiful, precious YouTube, this is in our hands. ये हमारा जीवन है, मेरे my beautiful precious beings. ये हमारा जीवन है. आप अगर इसे संजो के रखेंगे, आप अगर इसे इसे मोहब्बत करेंगे, आप अगर इसे इज्जत देंगे, मान देंगे, आप इस जो ये ड्रग्स की जो सिचुएशन है, जो ये क्रेज, it is become, speaking on that factor, on that, when we speak on youth, we talk about children who are in their peer groups, with that competition of speaking on that. Oh, my buddy he's not able to complete on that challenge, and he's addressing on that note, they face such triggers on on consuming drugs. No, no, my precious beings. It is my begging plea before you. Each one of you are my beautiful, precious family members. Yes, I only want to, suppress to say or emphasize to say that, my dearest ones, um, there is absolutely nothing known as depression. आप अपने अपनी आशंका, अपना 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 डर, अपना भय, अपनी कमजोरी आप अपने ईश्वर के सामने रखें। आप रखें अपने ईश्वर के सामने। आप अपना आप कुछ समय अपने ईश्वर के सामने अपनी तकलीफ, अपनी अपेक्षा, जो आपके मन में हो, इस विषय के ताल्लुक में रखते हुए आप अगर उनसे दो कुछ पल आप उनके साथ रखें, आपके ईश्वर आपको इतना इतना ताकत, आपको इतनी हिम्मत आपको वो देंगे कि आपको ये जो कमजोरी आपको आपके सामने आपको दिखती है कि आपको ये, इसके बिना आप नहीं खड़े हो पाएंगे। नो, इट्स नॉट ट्रू। आप कुछ समय के लिए आप अपना डर, आप अपनी कमजोरी